Welcome back to Cotton Creation. Today we are going to tackle a French toast with a little French twist. It's like no French twist. But I did come across a product by Just. It's called Just Eggs. It's one of their newer products. They make mayo and all sorts of other vegan plant-based products. And with these eggs, they are made from a 4,400-year-old lagoon, and it magically scrambles like eggs. So what I did is the very first time I tried the product, I just did it as instructed and scrambled an egg. And I must say it scrambled just like a real egg. The only thing is that the taste was slightly different than a real egg. It was close, but not an exact match. But I did think to myself, you know what? This would be a perfect egg substitute for a French toast. So if you're interested and you want to see if we can use just eggs and make some wonderful French toast, or maybe some not so wonderful French toast, then you gotta stay tuned.
So the first thing you're gonna do is grab that Just egg, shake it up very well, and then you want to go ahead and pour that into your mixing bowl. Next, you want to add your plant-based milk. I am loving pea protein based milk. I typically get the brand Ripple, however it was out of stock, so I decided to try this Bolthouse Farms brand, and it was amazing. The thing I like about pea protein milk is that it does not alter the flavor of the dish. Next, you want to add in your sugar, cinnamon, and vanilla. Of course, you can use whatever type of sugar or sweetener that you prefer. Now we're just simply going to mix that together and get it ready for the bread. Once your pan is nice and hot, just give it a spray with some cooking spray and then dip your bread only on one side into the mixture. And place it down into your pan. So now that your French toast is ready to be flipped, you want to grab your egg mixture, stir it up, and then spoon it onto the side that is not coated. The reason for doing it this way is because if you do it in advance, it will actually cause the bread to be soggy. So to avoid that and have the normal French toast texture, it's best to do it this way. I also recommend that you do a light coat of the egg mixture, because if you go overboard, you'll still end up with soggy bread. And also add some more cooking spray to your pan as you see fit. And the recipe is in the description box below.
So as you can see, it was super easy to make, the normal process that we use to make regular French toast. And as you can see from the looks, they look like regular French toast. And since I'm here, I got to enjoy them. They tasted just like regular French toast. Like, you couldn't even tell that it was made with all vegan products. Nothing about these French toasts tasted like, oh, it's gotta be vegan or something's wrong with it. They tasted just like regular French toast. Like, I totally could trick people into thinking that I made regular French toast, but they are vegan French toast. So again, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on any more awesomeness. And then also be sure to leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. And if you decide to try these, let me know how yours turn out. Until next time, see you guys later.